Sean in Elmont, New York. He says hello and he's on Mad Dog Lane. Sean, good afternoon. How are you today? What do you have for me?
Hey, I'm good. How you doing? Listen, long time listener. First time calling. Yeah,
good to have you aboard, Sean. Thank you, pal. Good to have you with us.
Now listen, this is about the Mets and the Brody bandwagon and Darren Science. I see this from the start. First of all, I got 2-3 things to grind my gears here. It'll come to a point it's getting fast. One, you should have included Malik Smith in that Seattle Mariners deal. He's a great center fielder and he's fast. He can lead the top of your order. Two, when you
I don't know if he was available necessarily, but okay, go ahead.
You want to make a splash. You get Robinson Cano and you get Diaz and you get Familia.